Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're tackling something simple yet super useful: how to change your iPad's name in 2025. Whether you're personalizing your device for better organization, fixing syncing issues with other Apple products, or just want a fresh start, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPad is updated to the latest iPadOS version for 2025. This ensures everything runs smoothly. To get started, unlock your iPad and open the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. This is where you'll find all the basic device settings. Now, in the General menu, look for About near the top and give it a tap. On the About page, you'll see your iPad's current name listed right at the top. Simply tap on the name, and a text field will pop up allowing you to edit it. Type in your new name, keep it under 50 characters for the best results, and hit Done, or the Return key to save. Your iPad might ask for confirmation, so just follow the prompts. That's it, your iPad's name is now updated and will reflect across all your connected devices, like your iPhone or Mac. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, double-check that you're signed in with your Apple ID, as this process ties into your iCloud settings. Also, remember that changing the name won't affect your data or apps, so feel free to get creative. There you have it, folks, a straightforward way to customize your iPad in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.